Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started by sweeping our arms up overhead. Grab your left wrist. Lean over to the right for a side body stretch. Come back to center. Grab your right wrist and lean over to the left. Come back to center. Micro back bend. Cactus your arms open as you drop your head back. Reach your arms back up. Come to center. Another micro back bend. Reach your arms up. Let's open the legs a little bit for a forward fold, reaching for the floor. Begin to shake your head no, just bringing your chin to each shoulder. And now shake your head yes. Slowly roll up all the way. And let's close our legs together. Sweep your arms up overhead. Let's touch at the top. Twist to the left. Bring your left arm on the back of your chair and look over your left shoulder. Keeping your right hand on your left leg, you reach your left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Relax your arm back down, and let's circle our arms back up, touching at the top. This time, twist to the right. Bring your right arm up and over for your side body stretch. And relax your arms down. We're going to hold on to the chair, straighten that right leg in front of you, and just take some circles with your foot. Switch directions. Lower your foot back down, straighten that left leg in front of you, and take some circles. Switch directions. Lower your foot down. Sweep your arms all the way up. And bring your hands to heart center as you take a deep breath. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.